These are the parts you need to prepare. Remove the 4 screws in the center. Disassemble the slide extension. Align the mounting base with the screw holes. Use the 4 long screws to fasten the base. Flip the rotary attachment and align it with the locating pin. Insert a long screw into the left side hole and fasten it. Flip the unit sideways, then gently place it towards the laser. Slide it towards the left, ensuring it fits properly into place. Prepare the small screws and fixed panels. Slide the panel into the groove. Align with the screw holes. Install the screws. Continue to install the panel on the other side. Please do not tighten the screws on one side yet, to help align the screw holes on the other side. Once everything is properly aligned, tighten all the screws securely. Please do not use incorrect screws. If the screws are too long and extend into the slider, they may interfere with the rotary's movement back and forth. Plug in the rotary cable. Connect the cylinder cable. Measure the perimeter of the tumbler. Install the tumbler. Turn the pulley so that the claws stabilize the tumbler. Rotate the tumbler to ensure the mouth touches the base plate fully. Power on the laser. USB connects the laser to a laptop. Please visit WeCreate official website and download the version 3.0.5 or newer of Make It software to work with your Lumos Flex. Open Make It software. Click New Project. Switch to slider and rotary mode. Click Initialize, the device will move to prepare. Note: clear the table to allow space for movement. Turn the knob to align the blue and red dots. Input the perimeter or diameter. When you input the perimeter, please check if the unit's mm/in is correct. And don't input the perimeter into the diameter. Import a design. Adjust the design size. If you want a full wrap engraving, set W equal to the cup's circumference and H equal to the cup's height. Adjust the design orientation. Adjust the design position. Set the parameter for full engraving. Click Framing to check whether the blue dot movement matches the engraving area. Click 3D Preview to view the effect. If no need to adjust, click Start. Click Confirm. Click Send. Short press the Start button to begin processing. Wow, a perfect piece is created.